Tapescript 3.8.3.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Could you take a seat, please? Good afternoon, Pisay. Would you mind closing the door, please?
Good afternoon, Mr. Sowan. Could you tell me why I'm here, please?
Of course, Mrs. We are having some problems with Pisay's behavior. She has been very cheeky to some of our teachers.
Mr. Sowan, I'm only playing and having fun.
Would you mind being quiet while I speak to your mother?
Could you be quiet and stop crying, Pisay, while I talk to Mr. Sowan?
Pisay, would you mind waiting outside while we talk about your punishments?
I'm sorry, Mr. Sowan. She can be very naughty sometimes.
That's okay. You are not to blame, Mrs.
Thank you.
Would you mind allowing Pisay to stay behind after class for 1 week? We want her to clean the classroom, empty the straws, and clean the bathroom.
That's no problem, Mr. Sowan. She needs to learn how to behave. Could you arrange for someone to call me when she is finished so I can pick her up?
Thank you, Mrs. I'll call you myself as soon as she has finished her duties. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Sowan. Thanks for your help.
Behavior. Behavior.
Cheeky. Cheeky.
Punishment. Punishment.
Trash. Trash.
Arrange. Arrange.
Blame. Blame.
Duty. Duty. Pick somebody up. Pick somebody up.